with our main character right here. That's the drone. The camera's gonna be looking at him like this. It's gonna pan around our character as he gets up, and then we're gonna follow from behind as he goes up to the cockpit. I'll be holding the drone. Sam's back here pulling focus, the second controller.
From the bathroom. That's the toilet right there.
That's the toilet right there, actually. And we decided actually to do this with the drone versus this rig. Even though the drone is quite large, I can push the drone all the way up to the ceiling without an issue. I can get a little higher to the ceiling, and that's important to maximize the angle of the shot. And any micro movements I do will be stabilized versus that one.
Stabilized.
I think we can pull this one off. I'm excited. Yeah, this is an interesting shot. So we practiced it a bunch of times, and now we're doing it while the airplane is taxiing.
Right.
Because we couldn't get it more complicated.
Yeah.
Filming inside of a plane with a drone.
Well, that also means I'll have to be quick because I gotta watch where we're going.
Here we go.